Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something awesome straight out of Hill Valley, the light-up Flux Capacitor from Back to the Future. Let's open it up and see what we got. All right, here's the bubble mailer. Got it open, and here's the box itself. Solid. Front of the box shows the Flux Capacitor graphic, classic Y-tube silhouette. Side view, box spine might make a nice addition to a shelf even before opening. Backside lists what's inside. The light-up Flux Capacitor, plus a little booklet about time travel fundamentals. Cool. Top and bottom plain, but overall, nicely packaged. Let's crack this open. Carefully lift out. Here we go. Nice packaging inside. And here's the unit itself. First up, the product info sheet with instructions. And oh, here's the booklet. Time Travel Fundamentals, Doc Brown's Time Travel Guide, or similar. A full-color, 32-page book about the mechanics and timelines from the films. That's a neat extra for fans. Time to power this thing up. Flip it over. Here's the battery cover. I'm using a small screwdriver to remove the screw. Okay. Now slip in 2 AA batteries. The package says 2 AAA, but double check your version. Mine uses AA. Batteries in, and screw the cover back on tight. Good. All right, moment of truth. First setting, lights and sound. Second setting, lights only. No sound, just glowing. Good to have options if you want a subtle mood light. Let's get a close-up. Check out those LED tubes lighting up. Kind of retro sci-fi. Very cool if you're decorating your desk, shelf, or fan space. Looks great in this light, but imagine it in a darker room. Really gives that time travel device vibe. Overall, this little Flux Capacitor is a really fun collectible. Bright lights, a cool sound option, and that bonus booklet for fans. It looks great on a desk or display shelf. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more unboxings.